This is Love, Peace, and Happiness with a review from a website, Hippie Runnerwear Headbands. It's just showing you the headband that I purchased. I'm not affiliated. I'm just showing you a really cool website. Here's the link that I used. I'll put everything down below, including the headband right here featured. The front of the headband is what this looks like. Now, I wore this out cutting grass, so that's probably why it's a little bit bent on the top. I can't stress enough that these do not slide back. They are wonderful material. It took about 3 days to arrive. Just showing you the back side of the headband, what the headband looks like, showing you that it's not reversible and you can only wear it one direction. This headband anyway that I chose. And again, the material is awesome. Very pleased with it. Fast shipping. And can't stress enough, it does not slide forward.